So I saw this safe a few days ago when I was here dumpster driving, and I had some time to look up some details about it. It's a Wilson safe, a TL30 grade Reliance Silver. It's their biggest model, and new it sells for over $10,000. I had some people comment on my last video that since the door is open, it could be as simple as just changing the combination. I did actually call Wilson Safe. They said if the door is open that they would be able to change the lock for, you know, the hundreds of dollars range. So I'm gonna go talk to the manager, see what the story is about this safe. Maybe they just lost the combination. Maybe there's something way more damaged about it that I don't know. If it is good, and take this back to my shop, have the combo reset, and possibly resell this for $2,000–3,000. I'm gonna go in the store, see if I can talk to a manager. I'm gonna just record audio and we'll see what we can find out. So I work with a company called Lost Goods Salvage.
Okay.
And I noticed that there was a safe at the back of the store, like next to the dumpster.
Okay.
And I know that's like those things are super hard to get rid of, and like I just wanted to see if I could talk to somebody about if you guys need help getting rid of it.
The safe that was in there is now by the back door. He wants to know.
Yeah.
That's all yours.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've got a box truck with a lift gate and stuff. So, do you know what the story is with it? Is it like the lost combo or like?
Yeah, we don't have a combination for it.
Okay.
We don't have a key for it.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. I might swing by like today or tomorrow and grab a sign.
Yeah, as long as it's there for free.
Okay. And what's just in case somebody Manny? Okay.
They won't
Okay.
question it though. We're not putting it in the dumpster.
Yeah. It's like 3,000 pounds, I think. So. Okay. Cool.
All
All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I went inside and I talked to the store manager, and they said they just don't have the combo. They used to use it for their jewelry department. They don't have one anymore. This is going to be a pretty easy fix with a locksmith, just resetting the code. The door is open, so I'm going to go rent an Enterprise box truck with a lift gate. I've got a pallet jack. This thing weighs 3,000 pounds. That should be around the limit of the lift gate. And we're gonna pick this thing up, get it fixed, and try to flip it for $2–3 grand. I'm gonna have about $300 to $400 into it, plus my time. But I just might end up with a really awesome safe. I might end up with a few $1,000s. We're gonna go try this out. We're moving it. Ready? All right, let's try another time. Ready? Pushing it. Yep. Hold on. It's okay. You're good. You're good. Ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh! No, you're not gonna. I don't think that's happening. If this doesn't end up working, then I might just go inside and be like, hey, can you just get your forklift and come out here and like.
I mean, it's worth a shot if we can't like after this attempt, basically.
Yeah. Just stay like behind it though, so if it does tip. Fuck. It's not going. Oh boy. Shit. They said 3,000 pounds, but over here it says 2,500. Man, it's close. Shit. Let's pause here for some thoughts from the future. Every time I'm editing one of these videos, I'm thinking, wow, I could have done this different, I could have done that different. I could have taken that pallet jack off of the lift, saved 100 pounds. We could have moved the safe closer to the edge of the door because it's kind of hanging off the edge of the lift gate, and so it's cantilevered. If it was closer to the door, there'd be less weight on that lift gate to get it up. but you know, hindsight's 2020. Maybe if I had this mustache when I was doing the video, it would have gone a lot better. So after some careful thought and trying to get this thing on there, we're gonna pass on it. Even though we rented this box truck, we couldn't get it up. They said on the phone it was a 3,000 pound limit. Over here on the truck it says 2,500 pounds. We also kind of had it hanging pretty far. We were gonna ask BJ's to come out with their fork truck and get it on for us, which they would do, and that safe would come down. We could take it off, but if I sell it in the future and the liftgate can't lift it onto the truck, yeah, I should have listened to other people on TikTok who said don't do this. But the dumpster is full of a bunch of gas piping on top of all the trash, so we're gonna take that. It's probably 600 or 700 pounds, so might pay for the truck. Not really gonna pay for the time, but it's not a complete loss, I guess.